In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply previous designs to any Canva template. If you've ever built a slide or social post you loved and wished you could drop it straight into a new template, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, cleanest way to do it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. Log in so you have access to all your projects, uploads, and brand assets. Being signed in ensures your fonts, colors, and previous files are ready to use. From the home page, open the design that contains the page or pages you want to reuse. This source file is where you'll copy from. Once it loads, switch to grid view, sometimes called the page manager. You'll see all your pages as thumbnails, which makes it easier to select exactly what you want to bring over. Choose what to reuse. Click a single page to copy just that layout, hold Shift to select arrange, or press Ctrl+ on Windows to select all pages in the design. Use this thoughtfully. Copying only what you need keeps your new project tidy. With your pages selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. Canva copies the whole page structure, including text boxes, images, colors, and most formatting, so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. Head back to the Canva homepage. Now create your destination design by selecting Create a Design and choosing the size or format you need, like presentation, Instagram post, or a custom dimension. Matching the format to your intended template helps avoid unexpected cropping or layout shifts. If you're applying your old page to a pre-made template, open that template as your new file. In the new file, switch to grid view again. This gives you a clear place to paste and organize, then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+ on Mac. Your copied pages will appear as new pages, usually at the end of the document. You can drag them to reorder, delete any extras, or position them where they fit best with the template's flow. A few quick tips to polish the result. If fonts or colors don't match your new project, apply your brand kit or adjust styles so everything looks cohesive. Check for any locked elements that might need unlocking before you tweak. If images look off, drag new photos onto existing frames to replace them instantly. Finally, skim each page for alignment and spacing, especially after pasting into a different size. Small nudges can make a big difference. Canva autosaves your changes so you're covered as you go. That's the process. You've just moved your favorite designs into a fresh Canva template with just a copy and paste.